What's up everybody, it's Retro Django here. We got another box from our great friends at Pinsound. This time is Headphone Station Master. Let's make a quick unboxing of this beautiful box. I mean, this is like video number 8 or 9 with great stuff from Pinsound, and I'm just enjoying and loving everything they have sent me. Those two brothers at Pinsound, they're so sweet. They have great products. Oh, I mean, I'm so much in love with these guys. So we got this little manual inside. It says Pinsound Headphone Station Master. Power off your machine, open it and install it, as you can see here, and connect it to CN3 in the back box. That's some beautiful stuff. And other than that, go into settings and put it on external volume knob function, and you can now adjust the volume. Oh, that's so cool. Tip: when you connect the headphones to the pinball machine, it will automatically mute the machine, and so you can hear everything with your headset. Let's just go ahead and do so, guys. Why not? This goes into CN3. This will be bolted to the leg. Pinsound. Oh, that's nice. Headphone. Oh, it has got some foam here for protection. Really, really nice, man. I like it. And we have got something here. What is this for? I'm gonna find out. Let's go ahead and install it in my Jurassic. Why not? All right, guys. So these are for cable management. As you can see, you can just push the cables in here, and you have tape on the other side. So when you install the cable at CN3 in the back box, you can manage the cable all the way down to the left or right leg at the front. So it's really simple stuff. And we also installed the Pinsound shaker motor motion control shaker kit. Go in and search shaker motor Retro Django, then you will see how easy that is to install. Also super cool effect in the Jurassic part when the T-Rex moves, when it runs after you, when you're driving the Jeep. The whole machine shakes, the whole game room shakes. I will say for Jurassic Park, a shaker motor is just a must-have. So according to the manual, CN3 is here, and you can also see it on the board. It says CN3, and you can see it here. It says Spike board CN3. So it's pretty simple. Just install it at CN3 and you can't even install it the wrong way around. That's about it, guys. And now I will just make sure that the cable goes down to one of the legs. Simple stuff. All right, guys, installation was really simple. Lift the machine up, take those two bolts out and just install it in here. And I used one of these clips that are included to make sure that the cable goes in here, and I put one of them here, and the rest will be put at the back side, so I can make sure the cable management is beautiful. And as I showed in the menu, you can just go in and set on external. As you can see that we have got this little light that indicates that it's connected on CN3 and it's ready to go. And you have to plug the mini jack here and your volume knob control here. How simple is that, man? I love this. I absolutely love this. I mean, Pinsound is making so much great stuff for our lovely pinball machines. Oh, look at this, Pinsound also here. So go in and check out their webpage. So much greatness inside there, but also just write Pinsound Retro Django. You will see, yeah, again, shaker motor. You will see a brand new DMD controller board for Bella Williams machine. You will see Rocket CPU board, and maybe, I'm not sure, maybe I could, maybe I will also make a video with their audio board. I'm not sure, guys, but it is what it is. I'm in love with this. It's so cool. Now I can enjoy this while my son is asleep, because when I play, the volume is at maximum, man. I love it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day out there. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.